Hi my friends, Ian Stewart here. I did promise you some niche ready campaigns, but we cannot do ready build. They are almost ready build niche videos, okay, niche videos that you will need to do a little bit of work on. So I've had to change the title because people said I thought they were ready build. I didn't think I had to do anything. Well, I'm afraid if you want to make money online, there is some work involved, okay? But these are, all the images are hosted for you, every single thing, okay? So I'm going to show you how to put one together. Now, since I made the last video, we now have two. We've got the fat loss myths, and this is one of the top earners online when it comes to weight loss, so this should work well. You just got to advertise it in the correct place.